To save offline maps on your phone using Google Maps, just open the Google Maps app first. Find the place or city you want to have an offline map about by using the search bar on top. Let's create and save the offline map of Las Vegas and the place around. Tap on it and right here scroll horizontally until you see More. Tap on More. Select Download Offline Map on the bottom. Now you can drag and zoom, move around this new window, which is marking all the place around what will be saved as an offline map. So find the perfect position and cover all the spots you want to have inside your offline map. Every time you're changing something by zooming out, for example, you can see that the size of this offline map is changing. So make sure you have enough storage on your phone. Once you found the perfect position, tap on Download. The download will be finished in the background, and once it's finished, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Offline Maps, and right here you can already see your downloaded offline map. Just tap on the 3 dots to rename it. Let's call it Las Vegas. Tap on Save, select your offline map, and here you have even the option to update it if you're online. Tap on the map on top, and now you can use it offline, navigate and zoom out, zoom in. You can see it's working perfectly.